Sometimes a sound
What was that?
I'll check it out.
is just a sound. But if the moment ever does come when the sound is something more, you'll be prepared. The SABRE Pepper Spray Launcher Home Defense Kit offers the confidence that your loved ones are protected. With maximum strength protection you expect from SABRE at an even safer distance to deter intruders and allow your family the ability to escape a dangerous situation. All with the dependability only the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by law enforcement worldwide can provide. Although accurate up to 66 feet, the launcher does not require perfect aim as the projectiles burst into a 6-foot wide pepper cloud of SABRE red pepper powder. On impact up to 175 feet, the pepper cloud creates a severe burning sensation to the facial area, coughing, and excessive sneezing to help extract or temporarily disable the intruder. The impact alone of being hit with a projectile traveling at 330 feet per second will cause intense pain. The launcher's compact and lightweight design and ambidextrous grip makes it easy to handle, offering no recoil, while being loud enough to potentially discourage an intruder. Featuring a 7-round chamber capacity and semi-automatic trigger, the launcher can be used to deter multiple threats. Easy, proven, and effective. The SABRE Home Defense Pepper Spray Launcher Kit comes with everything you need, so you can protect those close to you at a safe distance. Pepper Spray Launcher, 7 red pepper projectiles, magazine, 2 12-gram CO2 cartridges, 14 inert practice projectiles, practice target and training video, safety manual and lockable hard storage case, designed for speed, accuracy, distance, and increased incapacitation of multiple threats. The SABRE Pepper Spray Launcher puts home defense in your hands like never before. So whether or not that sound was just a sound, you'll be ready with the confidence that you can protect yourself, your family, and your home with the Home Defense Pepper Spray Launcher Kit from SABRE.